How to download GTA Vice City Netflix in Android. So to download the GTA Vice City Netflix option, you need to have a Netflix subscription first. After you make sure that you have got a Netflix subscription, you want to make sure to simply log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, now you want to download GTA Vice City. So just go to the games section from here. Now here you can see different types of games that Netflix has to offer. You can just go ahead and then search for GTA Vice City by just tapping the search option here. And once you tap the search option, just type in GTA and you'll find GTA Vice City or more options. Now depending upon which one you want, because there are many versions like the San Andreas or GTA Grand Theft Auto Vice City one, there's a definitive edition and so on. Just tap on get game option, and as you've done it, it will take you on the Netflix application where you can just tap on the install button to install it. And this way you will be able to go ahead and then basically download GTA Vice City Netflix in Android. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.